Welcome back, grade 11s, and as we're getting back into our exponents here, just revising, in this we'll again do coefficients, then variable by variable, and with exponents you'll see there are always multiple ways to do it, and I might pick one way and you might do it a different way, and it might be as valid or an even better way to do it, so back yourself as well. But this one here is mainly leveraging the idea that if you're dividing and the base is the same, then we're going to subtract exponents. So for example, x to the 7 divided by x3, well, 7 minus 3 is 4. So that part there, I'm just starting with x's. We've got x to the 4, and there are more x's in the numerator. So in class, we'll go through a bit of the better mathematical reasoning. But for now, we can just think, well, they're more on the top, so let's put x to the 4 on the top. Or you could think of this as x to the 4 over 1. And let's do our values of y, and let's just stick to our exponent laws here. Y to the minus 2 over y4, well, just subtract. Minus 2 minus 4 is y to the minus 6. And another way of writing y to the minus 6 is just 1 over y to the 6. In other words, it's almost like there are more y's on the denominator on the bottom, so that's y to the 6. Alternatively, what you might have done is said, well, we had y to the 4 on the bottom, and instead of writing y to the negative 2 in the numerator, we could have written that as y squared on the denominator. But just be very careful, because we're multiplying and this must be one term. So this isn't going to work if you've got pluses and minuses and multiple terms. So I think the easiest is just to subtract exponents and see where it lands. Okay, the last one here, and I'm coming back to the 3 and the 6, is z to the 3 divided by z to the minus 2. Let's just do the same exponent laws. 3 minus minus 2. Well, that's going to be z to the positive 5, which means it's z5 in the numerator. And the last bit that I'm ending with is 3 over 6. Well, 3 over 6 we could just simplify to a half, so therefore it's 1 over 2. Whether you write the 1 in the numerator or not, it's exactly the same. So whichever you prefer. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.